You won't believe it. The Verizon guy's here. We don't know where he is. Look, the truck is right there. The truck's there.
Shit, dude.
He's got a cone. Oh my god. He's got a cone.
Shit.
Where is he?
Let's go upstairs now. Let's go upstairs. Get up here, Alex. We're not safe.
There it is. It's the Verizon guy.
Call the cops. What are you doing with my phone? The phone lines are cut, you idiot!
Cell phone.
He sees us. Oh my god, he's gonna see us. Oh shit.
We've been looking through all the windows. We can't see him. Do it with my cell phone.
We can't find him. We're looking through every window. Shit. So creepy. He's
Pick up my phone. Pick up my phone.
He's inside right now!
What? No, dial tone!
He cut it?
Phone.
He cut the phone line?
You got the phones?
Internet. Come on. Load Firefox, come on. We need some help.
Damn you, Firefox.
No!
No! You cut the internet!
Ah! You have a safe room, don't you? A panic room?
I hope so.
It's your fucking basement!
I don't care.
I mean, it's your damn basement. Hold. Hold, team, hold. Go in this room here.
It's clear. Where is it? The lights are on. I think I left them on. Lights are on down here.
Bastards cut us off from society.
Oh my god! It's eternal. Oh god! Oh god! Ah! Run, go! Move!
Bastards cut us off from society. Where are we to go now?
He's messing with the lights.
Hold me!
Let's check the windows again.
Hold me! I can't take it. I'm gonna go out.
No, do it, Michael. Spray yourself. I don't see him. She's so brave, my little soldier. My little soldier, she's so brave. Go back to the van.
Maybe.
Back to the van.
We can see him.
He locked all the doors.
Do you think he has FiOS in his truck?
Let's film. Maybe we can steal fire with his FiOS cables.
He's true qualm. Fiber up. I want a fiber up.
Get down low, guys. Down low.
Wait, is that him? No one's driving the truck. No one's driving the truck.
Scared. Where is he? I know he's here somewhere.
Pop up from the window.
Oop. Michael, he has service?
I have T-Mobile!
Oh, you're gay. He's got a cone and everything.
What are you doing today? Not right now. Getting killed by Verizon guy.
I'm scared.
Don't.
Oh my god.
Okay, at least I have my cell phone. Should I call 911?
No,
No?
that'd be dumb.
Why?
911 gets here like 7 hours after people die.
Pull yourself together, man.
No, close the door. He's coming in. What do you think?
He's already inside.
No, he's not. I hope not. Don't say that. What was that?
I'm gonna get your money while I can.
Get out of my room. We're not dying yet. We looked through all the house and there didn't see anything. We saw a bunch of glimpses though. Guys? What do you guys? Did you hear that? Here guys, take it. Go, Sophie.
No. Don't go.
No! Stop!
Shit's so
Oh no. Where is he? Do you know where he is? Alex! Alex!
Where are you, man? Alright, joke's over, come on!
Over here, over here. Over here.
Over.
Over here. I hope he's not hiding in the closet. So much you suck.
Can't even score on these guys. On three. One, 2, 3. He's at the door. Dude, the door just closed.
Oh man. Oh man.
Here, we can use some. We can use some of that stuff here. Oh.
Yeah, yeah. So put it on the table.
Put it down.
Alright, you beat him over the head and I catch him in the net. Ready? Holy shit.
What?
He got up into my room. He's in the attic.
Fuck.
Alright. He's going up.
Alright.
I knew I should have replaced that light bulb.
Right behind you, man. Come on. Dude.
No. You stay here. Unless you hear something.
Alright. Okay. You alright?
Yeah, just wait.
Okay. Alright. He's been up there forever. I should have done this shit, man. I have to come over today. Shit.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! Oh my god!